If you're into productivity, like I am, and making your work time as little as possible, then I have a video for you. Today we're going to have a look at Microsoft Loop. We're also going to have a look at Notion, and we're also going to have a look at Microsoft OneNote. We want to know what features they actually offer to increase your productivity, so let's check them out. Okay, so what we're going to look at now is Microsoft Loop. So first of all, Loop components enable real-time collaboration across your entire workflow. These portable content pieces stay updated wherever they appear. You can also seamlessly work with any Microsoft 360 app, including Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Word, Excel, you name it, you can work with it. It also allows all content to automatically update across all of your connected applications in real time. This is awesome. I do use more than one device, and it is very convenient when you're moving from one to the next and all of your changes have been updated. The next thing we're going to have a look at over here is the flexible workspaces. So you can create project-focused organization hubs where teams can actually collaborate. You can gather related content and interactive elements in one flexible canvas that evolves with your project as you move along. You can also use portable elements like lists, tables, and text blocks that update live across, again, all of your connected applications and your devices. You can see over here some of the use cases is project management. So it's ideal for collaborative planning with real-time task tracking as well as resource allocation. It's perfect for capturing ideas from multiple contributors, and this is all done simultaneously. It also has Copilot, which supports content generation and summarization to speed up your workflow. It is an all-in-one tool, and it's amazing. All right, we're looking at Notion now. So Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Notion unifies notes, tasks, databases, and projects in one tiny little space. You can create personalized environments for personal or team productivity. You get customizable databases. Create databases with tables, Kanban calendars, and lists. You can design flexible data structures tailored to your unique needs as well as your workflows, and you can manage your tasks, your projects, content, and customer data without needing any prior coding knowledge. Easily, you can also filter, sort, and visualize information to boost team productivity as well as organization. And you get real-time collaboration. So this means simultaneous editing. This is great for large teams that are constantly on the move, always making changes. Even if they are small changes, everyone is in the know because it's real-time updated. So this means multiple users at the same time can edit, update pages, and this is live. As well as commenting and feedback that is given, you can assign tasks and leave comments easily within the platform, and you don't have to do any follow-up emails to ask if this person got that and if they were updated on this. It's all done for you in one space. You can actually also share your workspace, and this keeps teams connected across all of your locations if you have remote teams. It also has a template system, so you can use pre-built templates for project management as well as your notes. You can adapt templates to fit your workflows and as your team needs, and you can reduce setup time with their ready-made organized structures, which is always fantastic. One or two of their drawbacks. There is a lot going on in Notion, so a steep learning curve, yes, that is something that you need to take into consideration. The other thing is the performance issues that have been reported by users. Large complex databases may actually cause slowdowns as well as lag, so consider these before you make your decision. Let's have a look at OneNote now. So OneNote is a top-level organization tool for major topics or projects. You also get color-coded dividers for different subtopics and individual canvases for notes with flexible layouts. It also supports rich content such as text, images, audio, video, embedded files, and handwritten notes. Yeah, you heard me right. Handwritten notes. You can also see over here that it has full-featured apps for Windows and Mac OS with comprehensive editing tools. You can capture ideas on your iOS, your Android, with a touch or a stylus. You can also see that you get access to your notebooks from anywhere through the Microsoft 365 cloud integration. The last thing that we're going to have a look at here is one or two of the use cases. So if you need to capture structured notes with action times, attachments, or even follow-ups, it's perfect. If you need to gather diverse materials with web clippings, annotations, and even linked references, it's great. And if you need to create searchable repositories of information with tags and cross-references, it's perfect. It's also great for education, businesses, and personal organizations with flexible tools for every type of need you can imagine. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, there is a ton of options out there. There really, really are. And to really go and dig deep and find out which one works for you is the best advice that I can give you. Go ahead, try them, put them to real use, and see what actually works. Now, if this really was helpful, you can drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.